Hello po. Mag-aano kami, Tagalog Challenge. Kung naintindihan niyo yung sinasabi ko. Nabilis na. Anong kinain mo kanina?
Cake.
Cake?
I guess po what we eat now.
That's the thing. Did you hear that, guys? Anong sinabi mo? Say it. Ano sinabi ni Daddy? Tagalog Challenge.
Dad, your cake.
No,
Where's
Tagalog
my
Challenge.
chocolate? Where's my cake?
Tagalog
Yeah, but
Challenge.
have bread.
You just have to say it in
Yeah, I
Tagalog.
want the whole thing, man. What's up, bro?
Tinry namin yung 85-degree cake and it's really good, Masarap ba?
Ta.
Masarap?
Opo.
Opo? Opo. Opo.
I want the whole.
Opo is opo. Opo. Opo.
Huh?
That ate the whole thing already.
No, I did not.
That.
Okay, Tagalog challenge. Nabusog ka ba? Saan ka pumunta kanina? Sentence, ha?
What's
ano?
that question?
I went to the
Tagalog.
Sino na masipag niya kayo wala? Sino ka pala?
What?
Papayan.
Ayan sila. Try nila yung... Ay, yung kawali. Nakikita.
What's
Ano ba
that?
yan? You have to cut it properly, Dad. Hold on.
Who wants a cake?
Ayan nga, ako nga.
It's not cut yet.
Stop
Let
it.
me put that. Who wants a cake? Okay. It's not too sweet.
Don't give munchkin. Oo, kumakain din siya. Oh, binigyan ko siya ng chicken, tsaka kumain din siya. Sana gustuhan mo yung cake? Tagalog.
Opo.
Opo. Matamis ba siya o hindi?
Tamis.
Matamis? Not too sweet, right? I mean, hindi masyadong matamis.
Hindi.
Hindi. Ikaw, Ron.
What's she asking?
It's good?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's good.
Can you get that water?
Yeah.
Sarap siya. Bukas dito lang kayo, may pagkain na dyan, ha? Guys, eat in the morning.
Wala silang pasok
Much
kasi
is party.
President's Day.
Huwag kasi masito, may pupo.
Wait!